Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. Let's open up 2 blaster boxes of Panini Elite Extra Edition 2022. We're looking for Jackson Holiday, some of the big rookies that are in this class from 2025 will be in here. I think you only get 1 pack. And you might get 2 autos, I believe, per box. Yep, 2 autos or memorabilia cards. All right, here's your packs. And you get some numbered cards out of here too. Give me something nice. Looks like we got some points, unfortunately. All right, this one is going to be at a 61, Jack Brannigan. Preston Johnson on the Hidden Gems. And then we got 1 to 999 on the back, Spencer Mills. We're going to take those points off screen. And this one's not numbered. I think the numbering would be on the front. All right, a lot of Panini points out of these Elite Extra Edition boxes. All right, we got Noah Dean from Boston. Carson Weiss Hunt at a 109 on the die cut. All right, we got a relic right here of Brendan Beck. And then we got a Jaden Hill for the Rockies. Auto. And then this one's at a 999, Silas Adoin. And that is going to do it. Thanks for watching.